Hey you! Let me show you how to enable airplane mode on your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Let's get started. Let me show you 3 ways how to do it. And the first one is you can press the side button to open the control center, and right here you can see this icon with airplane, which is for the airplane mode. Just tap it, and if it turns orange, then this mode is enabled now. You can do just the same through the settings. For this, let's just press the digital crown to open all of the applications, then open settings, and then you'll be able to see the airplane mode tab. Let's tap it, and before enabling, you can also enable or disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for the airplane mode behavior. And then just tap on this switcher to enable the airplane mode. And the last way, you can do just the same through the watch application on your phone. Let's just launch it and then go in the General tab, and right here just choose airplane mode, and you can also enable mirror iPhone and enable or disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for the airplane mode behavior, as I said before. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable airplane mode on your Apple Watch SE. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.